Hello everyone, now I'm here with my next video of string manipulation. Previous video I've already discussed about string class, water string and list of string functions. Now in this video I'm going to tell you about few functions, that is length, caret, index of, last index of, replace and substring, and I want to give you few practice questions too in this video. First of all, we are going to discuss about length function. Length function always provides us number of characters, means it count number of characters. Counting means in the form of integer. That's why we are getting an integer value, that is in the form of int. The return type of this function is int. See one example. String word contain computer. Computer contains how many characters? Total 8. 8 characters. That's why in output window what we are getting 8. WRD dot length function help us to count number of characters. Then we have caret. Caret, from the name it shows us character at a particular position. It means it provides us a character which plays in a particular position, or we can say index. It always return us a character. That's why return type of this function is char. In my example, I had taken wrd.caret2, means I want character which is present in the second position. WRD contains computer. In second position, it contains M. That's why in my output it shows character at second index is M. Caret help us to pick a character from a given position. Then we have next questions for you. One question you have to create with these two functions, where you have to accept your name and each character should be in a separate line. And then we have next function. Next function, that is index of. Index of help us to find that actually it is just an opposite of caret. It help us to find position of a particular character. Caret is used to find what? A character of a particular position, and index of help us to find position of a particular character, just opposite of each other, and it provides us position. That's why return type of this function is integer, int. And if a particular character is not present in a particular string, then this function returns us -1, because if it provides us a positive value, it means that character exists in a string. That's why one negative value should be shown in front of us. It shows us that a particular character is not present in a particular string. See example. String WRD is equals to applications. Applications contains 2A. One present in 0th position and another one is present in 6th position. In my example, I had taken wrd.index of A, means index of always provides us first occurrence. First occurrence means first time a character occurs. See, the first location of A is 0 and the next location is 6th location. We are able to find that 6th location with the help of index of. How? See, second line. WRD dot index of single quotes में A, 1 means single quotes A, 1 means we have to find A from first location. If I am writing 0, it provides us 0, because In 0th position A exists. That's why I had written 1. From 1 position it starts searching till it gets A. That position of A is 6. That's why in output we are getting 6th location. If we are placing a character which is not present in a particular string, then it provides us -1. See, I had placed Z. Z is not present in my string. That's why it provides us -1. Then next, one question for you all. Write a program in Java to accept a sentence and one character from user and display each position of that character. Means one input I had taken, hello everyone, and one character from user, that is 0. 0 is present in a string hello everyone 2 times. Position of 0 is 4 and 11. You have to display this. The next one, string function last index of, is used to find the last occurrence of a character. Means previously index of provides us first occurrence, last index provides us last occurrence. And the return type of this function is int. If we are providing any character which is not present in this string, then this function provides us -1. -1 shows us that character is not present in a string. See, I had taken example of Malayalam. Malayalam means A present 4 times in Malayalam. That's why if I had written wrd dot last index of A, means last A present in position, that is 7th position. See the output. Character A is in position 7, means 7th position. If I had written wrd dot last index of single quotes A, comma 4, means you have to check A till 4th position. Till 4th position, what is the word? Malle. Malle contain A at 3rd, last occurrence of A is 3rd location. That's why it provides us 3rd location. And then in next example I had taken Z. Again Malayalam doesn't contain Z, that's why it provides us -1. Then next function is replace. Used to replace one character with another character, or we can say one string with another string. I take an example, and one more thing, this function provides us string. That's why return type of this function is string. I take an example where string word Malayalam, I'd written a wrong spelling. In place of A, I had written X because I want to replace X with A. And one more example I had taken, that is in place of Sen, I had written Sen is equals to boy wear blue cap with blue shirt. I want to replace blue with red. That's why I had taken this kind of example. See, system.out.println, after replacing X with A, what we are getting? I had written wrd dot replace X with A. Because I'm writing a character, that's why I'm writing it in single quotes. When we are writing in double quotes, means we are replacing string with another string. When we are writing in single quotes, it means we are replacing one character with another character. That's why I written X in single quotes and A in single quotes. What output we are getting? See, Malayalam correct spelling we are getting. And then I want to replace blue with red, means it is case sensitive. See, I had taken 2 examples. Blue in uppercase replace with red in uppercase. Next example I had taken a toggle case replace with uppercase. See, in output it is not replaced because it is case sensitive. You have to remember that replace is a case sensitive. That's why whatever you had written in a particular sentence, that is replaced by another thing, otherwise not. Then next, one more thing I think so I want to tell you, that is I use escape sequence. See, I want blue within double quotes. That's why I written backslash double quotes. See the next thing. One practice question I placed for you, that is a man has written a statement as, my name is Ashok Kumar Gupta and my age is 45 years. Later on, he realized that he had declared his name as Alok instead of Ashok and age 45 instead of 35. Write a program in Java to correct his name and age and display a correct output. That is, my name is Ashok Kumar Gupta and my age is 35. It means you have to replace a name Alok with Ashok and age 45 with 35 with the help of replace function. Then we have function substring. Substring from the name indicates subpart of a string. Means we have to pick, whenever we have to pick subpart, we have to use substring. It always provides a subpart, means it provides a string. The return type of this function is string. See, in my example I have taken word computer application. I want to split this word into two parts. One is computer, another one is application. Substring, remember, always provides two ways. One is you can write one digit, or we can say one position in substring, or you can write two positions in substring. I had taken both the example. One position means 9 I had taken, two position means 0,8 I had taken. If I am writing 9, it indicates that from 9th position you have to take whole string from 9th position. And 0,8 indicates us you have to start from 0 till 7. Before 8 you have to stop. See, in output, from 9th position application starts. That's why we are getting applications. And 0,8 means 8th position is space position of space, and before space we are having computer. 0 till 7 we are having computer. That's why substring provides us computer. Then see, next is your practice question. You have to use these two functions, that is class index of and substring, to complete this question. You have to accept a name with 3 names, that is first name, middle name and last name. A name contains 3 words and you have to display it in a different order. Means last name should come first, which is followed with first name and middle name. Input I had already provided, Ashok Kumar Gupta, and output is Gupta Ashok Kumar. Means last name should come first, and which is followed by first and middle name. Then thanks for watching and don't forget to like. Thank you.